Fix failed send message in Instagram. Getting the failed to send message error on Instagram, here's how to fix it step by step. So, first, go ahead and check your internet connection. So, to do this, go ahead and scroll down from the top right of your screen, and then from there, you should find your control center, and then from there go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or toggle airplane mode to refresh your connection. Another thing you can do is to update the Instagram app. So go to the app store and then head over into the search bar, and then once you're in here, use the search bar and look for Instagram. And then from the results, go ahead and click on Instagram and then click on update if you find an update button. Outdated versions often cause messaging errors. Another thing you can do is to clear cache and data. So to do this, you need to go ahead and head back into your home screen, and then once you're on your home screen, long press the Instagram app and then select app info. And then from here, go ahead and select storage and cache, and then go ahead and clear cache and data. And that is how to fix failed to send message in Instagram.